Hi, how you doing? My name's Gray. I'm a contestant in Unhatched. You're watching this video because you received this letter. Don't open it yet. Recently, when I was asked what I would do if I won Unhatched, the search for Australia's funniest nobody, I said this. Unhatched.
Hi, my name's Gray Bright. I deserve to win the 10 grand because I will make the world a better place. I will bring this world time travel.
So I was being quite serious when I said I'll make time travel possible. Last week, I studied the documentary Back to the Future and I realised to do it, all you need is a DeLorean and a flux capacitor. So now that we've got both the vital things, please open up your envelope. Inside, you'll notice that you have your very own time-travelling boarding pass. The top left-hand corner shows that I've scratched out economy, I've given you first class. You'll be travelling in a DeLorean DMC-12 from the present to the future. On the back, you'll notice that you're not allowed to take on any dangerous items, except you are allowed plutonium. This is because we need 1.21 gigawatts in the flux capacitor. On the left-hand side, you'll see your instructions. The main one being, once we hit 88 miles per hour, you will travel through time. A word of warning, when you're in the future, do not make contact with your older or younger self. This will affect the space-time continuum. In closing, I want to say thank you so much for the opportunity of even being in Unhatched. So far, I've had an absolute ball. Sadly, I need to let you know that there will be no final gag in this video. You're welcome.